Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact font name used in the document so you know what to replace or repair. Open Word in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This isolates add-ins. Then, open the Windows Fonts folder to see if the font is missing, duplicated, or corrupted. Once done, note any file names or odd variants so you can reinstall the correct font file next. Now you remove corrupted font files and reinstall the correct version from a trusted source. This fixes most rendering errors. Next, clear Word's font cache. Close Word, navigate to your local app data and delete the font cache files, and then restart the Windows Font Cache service to rebuild indexes. Once done, launch Word and open the document to check if the font renders correctly. Make sure to save a backup. To finish, replace any remaining problematic fonts in the document with a known good installed alternative. Use find/replace font to speed this up. Make sure to enable embed fonts in File, right arrow options, right arrow save if you need portability. If the issue persists, test the file on another PC to isolate system versus file problems, or export to PDF as a last resort preservation step. If it still fails, restore from backup or reinstall Office for a deeper repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.